Hello, so I made a new video, gave me something to do today. This one is a 7 segment display and it shows as it writes bits to. So you can take this software and you can modify it any way you want. All you have to do is add the command that you want to send and then add where you're actually sending the command and receiving command from the microprocessor. Because I don't know the actual commands for all of them. Like Alcatel was DMS. Um, it just depends on your processor. Some of them they have a different command. All of them have different commands. Anyway, I'm gonna go through this. So I put a truth table on here so you can see what it's doing. These would be the binary bits. This would be the hexadecimal data you're writing. These are the pins that need to be activated, and it shows everything right here. Stop and restart, and I'm gonna run the test. So we'll start running it. And you can go one by one. So A, it shows it sends the command. It shows which one. It shows the light, and it shows this. B, C, D, and these are the segments. E, F, G. The decimal point. This is writing a 1. This is writing a 2, and it's all segments off. And I'm going to run the automation mode, but I'm going to stop and restart. Okay, now I will run the automation mode. It's going to clear all the screens and it's going to start with saying run automation. Notice that it does write the bits. It shows what bits it's writing. All you have to do is change the command. All you have to do is change the command. Um, Basically, that's it. I'll go to the back block diagram and I'll show you what it is. So you can just copy. You can just make an image of this picture and recreate it yourself. Um, so this would be the first event in the event structure. Timeout, it'd be event 0. I'm going to stop and restart. This would be the second event in the event structure. It's a list box, which is right here. And the list box is right this part right here. Um, Basically, all it's looking for is when you press your mouse and you lift up, it searches for that. It jumps into this event. So whichever list item you selected, it'll go through and it'll pick whichever write it was supposed to be, and it'll send it through, and it automatically selects which bits are supposed to be. This is a place where it searches for the bit. So what it does is it takes out the hexadecimal data right here, 00, the 80, the 40, and it it compares and it finds out what it is, and it will send out whatever bit set of bits goes with that. With a 4 would be 0100. Gotta stop. So what it does, it'll grab the 08. It'll filter it out. It'll find which one it is. It would be it automatically does it. It searches. It'll find it. It'll be right here, and it'll send it out into the string. And it also sends the binary bits right here. It'll send the bits right here. Um, This is also I showed you how to make this in one of the other videos. It's just an array with data that populates into the memory map. This is the automated part of it. All I did was remove the list box and I added this and I put 12 because there's 12 tests that it runs, and it just cycles from 0 to 11 and runs all your tests. The whole thing, it's all basically identical. The whole thing's basically identical from the other one. And then this is the end test. Stop or restart, and basically that should be it. That should be the whole thing. Um, all you have to do is copy, take a picture of this and go create it yourself. Whoever wants to use it, and this is the initialization part of it, and your pin out and the way you talk to which pin, it may be different than this. I made this myself, so it may not be exactly 80. It might be 62 that writes to the bit. I don't know. I don't know what you would be writing, but it's free if you want it. Have a good day.